Guys, if you have some stew peas and rice in one, because if you do, this is definitely it. Because why this tastes like stew peas and rice? So today I'm making some barefoot rice and peas, and I'm using smoked turkey neck and some pigtail. So what I'm going to do first is to scald the pigtail and the smoked turkey neck together. Scald this for about 20 minutes, and now I'm going to pour off the water. Alright, and then add it back to the stove. Add that back to the stove, and then pour back some fresh water on it again for a while for the next 20 minutes. Now after another 20 minutes, I'm just gonna pour it off. Oh. Brings it to the cold water. Cold water. Rinse again. So now I'm going to take these and add it to a pot with peas. Guys, what I did was wash half pint of peas and add it to a pressure pot, and then add the meat that I scald to that same pot. So to that pot, we're gonna add about a cup of coconut milk. And now I'm going to add some pimento seed and garlic to that. I'm also going in with ginger, also adding a few cloves. Now I'm gonna take this pot and drop it in. The peas and the meat, we're gonna transfer it to the pot. Guys, I'm gonna show this one more time for the people who always accost me about the string when we use for thyme, the skellion and thyme. Them think the skellion and thyme come like that, I'ma just drop it in a pot. No, this is a butcher's twine. I just cut peas and tie up my skellion and thyme. I don't just purchase the skellion and thyme like that. It doesn't sell like that in America. The skellion does come different from your thyme leaf, so I separate them, take out what I want, wash them, and tie them up, right, like this, right. So we tie them. And then we drop it in my pot. While the pot boil up, so we're gonna add the skellion and thyme to the pot, along with the pepper. Alright, so you want to taste the pot to know if you have to adjust the seasoning. I'm going to go in with a little more salt, right, fresh. So you don't, I could have boiled the pigtail one time. Combine this, taste it again, and if it's alright, right, so cover that and make it thick. So now it's on like medium heat. Once it starts boil, I'm gonna turn the stove all the way to low, not completely, but on low, and just let it finish steam. See? Okay. Let's remove. See if you can find it. Skellion and thyme. Alright, so we're going to fluff the rice. So after I finished fluffing the rice, what I did was cover the pot and allow it to steam for another 10 to 15 minutes.